Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ayman and today's video is about the ZXW3 update again. I don't know how many videos I'm gonna make for ZXW version 3, but there's new information coming and I have to cover it. Today morning, everybody freaked out because that ZXW wasn't working, and even the dongles wasn't working with the older software. Of course, when you merge the dongle with the new software, it will not work with the older software again. Some people said the ZXWTEAM, they run away. I don't know why. why someone say like that. If I have a profitable project, why I run away? The ZXWTEAM was updating the software. They have leak of informations. They don't care about telling people. I don't know if they don't care or they don't know how to do it, or I don't know what is the issue, but they should tell people we have an update. The server will not work till we release the new software. They even didn't announce about the software. If you try to open the software version 3, it will automatically try to update, then it will fail. They should say something like that, but I don't know what's going on with them. Anyway, I will leave a link below this video for the new update. It's working fine in my computer, you can see. And some people was asking me about Blackfish wasn't working as well. Now Blackfish is working as well. Blackfish version 3. They rename it. They make it Microfish. Okay, whatever. So the people who faced problems with the older link to download the software, that's because there is high traffic trying to download the software from that link, and I think it reached the maximum bandwidth. So I'm leaving a new link down below. You can download the ZXW and the Microfish, the Blackfish version 3, and it will work fine with you with no problem. If you want to know how to activate and how to change language and all of this, you can refer back to the previous videos I made. I will leave a link below here, above here or here, I don't know where it will be. It will come, it will slide like this. And some people asked me if my license is expired. I have a dongle and my license is expired. Can you use the update? Hell no! How come? They will congratulate you for not renewing your license, so they will give you one more year for free? Of course not. That's not sense. You will be able to use the software for the remaining period in your dongle. If your dongle is expired, you will never get access to the new update. I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching and thank you for your time. Appreciate it. I'll see you next one. Bye.